講安德魯王子的下半生，有顯貴走向沉淪，王子變成平民。安德魯王子自離婚及退伍後，開始陷入中年危機。1999年認識愛潑斯坦，接受他的招待，人生從此陷入沉淪。
What a great evening, don't you think?
Absolutely, it's been wonderful.
他以英國國際貿易與投資特別代表身份，拜會各國政要。
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to discuss the critical issues facing our global economy.
包括塞拜疆和美國總統以及中國駐英大使。
You know, this is going to be the greatest event of the year, believe me. It is a pleasure to meet you, Your Highness.
I believe we can reach an agreement that benefits both parties.
與俄羅斯總統及日本前首相亦有交往，並多次訪問中國，與各省市領導交流。
Thank you so much. It's an honor to receive the Chatham House Prize.